poultry farming has long been a cornerstone of agriculture, providing a sustainable source of meat and eggs for millions of people worldwide. However, in an era where efficiency and productivity are paramount, unlocking the secrets of high-yield poultry farming has become a crucial endeavor for farmers aiming to thrive in the industry. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the key factors that contribute to the success of high-yield poultry farming, offering insights and strategies that can elevate your poultry farming venture to new heights.